Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to join a Google Meet meeting on your computer. It's super simple and only takes a few seconds to get connected. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you're not, just click Sign In at the top right corner and log in with your Gmail. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see a box that says Enter a code or link. This is where you paste the meeting link or type in the meeting code that was shared with you, for example, something like ABCDEFG. After pasting or typing it in, click the Join button. Google Meet will then take you to a preview screen where you can check your camera and microphone before entering the meeting. Here, you can click the camera or microphone icons at the bottom to turn them on or off. Once you're ready, click Join Now. If the meeting host hasn't started yet, you might see a message saying you'll be let in when they join. Just wait a moment, and you'll be added automatically once they start the meeting. And that's it. You've successfully joined a Google Meet meeting from your computer. You can now talk, share your screen, or use the chat box to send messages during the meeting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more simple tech tutorials like this.